I'm going to show you how to use Trello for game development. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open any browser that you have, and now just go to this website trello.com and make sure you're logged in, and after that just go ahead and tap on templates right over here, and now you can see multiple options under templates like business, design, education, engineering, marketing, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on design since we're trying to design a game, and once you're here, scroll down till you find multiple options like design, project, template, and many more, but we're trying to develop games, so just go ahead and tap on game design template, and once you're here, just tap on use this template. So you can just write down the name or the title of your template and choose a workspace where you would want it, and you can choose to either keep the cards or keep template cards and tap on create. So now this will help you create a game design or a game design template using Trello. So in this way you can successfully use Trello for game development.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.